Graham, and we welcome you to watch our video of us traveling full time through South Africa.
Stop.
We visit little off the beaten track towns along the way.
Got to climb up there.
Places that we would never have gone to before.
Let's kick this camper van into Ferrari mode for a sec or two. Let's see what happens. Well, that was scary but good fun. Eventually we made it to Mount Curry Nature Reserve to spend the night. Who would have thought Kokstad would have such a beautiful little stand for us to sleep the night here? Wonderful place, lovely. Awesome mountain and dam scenery, beautiful. Small camp area, but there were other people there, so we had supper with them and their camper van, so it was quite nice.
So we spent overnight at this gorgeous place. In the morning the birds are too beautiful, the ducks. Beautiful nature reserve with the dam. It's quiet, lovely with the birds. It's called Mount Curry. The dam wall is there, and people were rowing on here yesterday. This is our setup. There is a camper behind us. We met them last night, lovely people. And
hey babes, you need to wake up. Let me make you some coffee, my babes.
It's too gorgeous for words, and the birds are amazing.
Here we see little bookies going along here, and this was at the exit. So as we got to the exit, they started walking casually over. Well, these were running, but this last one was a slow coach, and he just thought he owned the joint. Better wait for him. Come guys, let's go. Where are you, you slow coach? So here I am driving our mobile home out of this place and on to the next area of attraction. Stay tuned guys. Mountainside, everything, and this is the dam where we were. We spent the night here. Okay, the sun's out. So this is the roads. We drive around in the wilderness type of area. We don't even have tar roads yet. Can't believe this. But anyway, this is in the actual road to the caravan park we stayed at, and it's like a natural place. It's a reserve, so nature reserve. So yeah, everything's nature here. But I love the mountains. They look so beautiful. Look at that out there. Awesome. Here comes the worker, going to work. that we're in heaven here, these two people. We feel like we're in heaven. Look at the car as well. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and make a maneuver for him. Okay, should be alright. Look at the green trees. Wow, what a beautiful sight this is. We're almost in town, so it's just a little bit more sand road and we're there. Shouldn't be long now and we'll be on the tour again.
So look at this beautiful church here in Kokstad. Beautiful. It's a cute little town. Very beautiful. So they say be careful of the stray animals. Don't go too fast. So up on the hill here.
Okay, on the top there.
Yeah, we have a donkey. Hold on.
I'm going to put it here.
He's going to put glass for me.
That's tar glass.
Tar glass.
Oh, yeah, some more tar glass.
No, I don't want any more.
There's a nice piece.
I don't. Look, he's picking up glass for me. I don't want it.
And there's a green one.
I don't want it. Don't give me any more glass.
There's a nice long one.
I don't want it. Let's go. So this is the little town we're going through. Look how busy it is. Excuse the bumping. I'm filming as I'm driving. Yeah. I think it's also, wow, I don't know if it's home time for schools. Yeah, I think there's a school here. All the taxis are out. I think we've hit it at lunchtime. Yeah, so just want to show you. This is really an African little town. You walk in front of your car, you just got to go slow. I think you have to go 40 through here anyway. I think I'm going 20. Yeah, so different life here. Everybody's shopping for their families, doing their stuff. It's nice and mountainous around here. A lot of climbing for Graham with Jaunti, so it's been a bit tough. And his phone's not charging anymore. It's off, so I'm taking the photos. So this is the bridge, the steel bridges we keep missing. And there's the bridge that we have to go over, and all those houses up there. So many little villages everywhere. Just villages dotted all over the mountains. And there's so many hills. Anyway, this is the bridge. Let me see if I can get it a bit closer. Yeah. Just give my foot a rest. It's a bit sore from driving. Jaunti's sitting there. Yeah. So here's coconut trees above us where we are on the campsite. The coconuts are falling and I'm picking up and shaking them and seeing if I like the juice, because I cannot eat coconut. So I'm going to just taste the juice and see. Yeah, so this is quite tropical here. Loving it. Coconuts I've collected to test if I like the milk. Graham says I'm not going to eat that. I said, yeah, you will. You'll enjoy it. And this is I'm starting to make my own little wreath for Christmas. Yeah, like this. I'm going to put twinies on and nice little Christmas stuff. Always doing something, ain't I? Yeah, look at these beautiful coconuts. Beautiful. The monkeys visiting our camp. Apparently they get in and ruin everything, so you got to make sure when they're around you close up everything. Hey you! Hey you! Monkey! Monkey! Monkey see, monkey do! You see it's raining outside. Here they're right by us. Oh, they're climbing on tents and everything. On the guy in front of us tent. A rainy day today.
This is the new place that we're at, a nice caravan park, and I want to show you. I think it's awesome. What do you think, Cindy?
So Graham, this place is divine. The coconuts, and I've already been eating them, and I don't have any coconut and I'm eating it. It tastes just like nuts. It's beautiful here.
We're glad to have shown you a little trip through the bushveld and the wonderful mountains and roads and everything. I think we had a beautiful ride, right?
We did. It was very pretty.
Anyway, Cindy?
So we're here at our new destination. We're here for 2 months, so we're going to try and film what we can around here. We're right at the coast again, and we're having a good time. Yeah, so we just ask that if you've got to this point and you haven't subscribed, you subscribe. It's a very important, it's free, and the button's just down at the bottom.
Help us, guys, it's wonderful.
And then comment and like, all helps. And we're trying to get to 1,000, and once we get to 1,000 it'll be easier. So get your family to share, to subscribe.
Yes,
really, that will help us.
Nice.
And we enjoy doing these videos. I hope it's what you enjoy watching, because it's just sort of our sense of humour, really speaking.
Well, this is the youth of the old age, so we're showing you what we're doing. We're not sitting on a couch just lazing around. We're out doing things.
Yes.
We might be 30 years off the van side, but we still enjoy it.
Yeah. So it's something that we can always go back and look at memories. And we know that other people far away, they've told us back in Caffeine that can't get here, are enjoying it. So we just want to say ciao to everybody. God bless you all, and we will see you next Sunday.
That's when we'll be. Have a look, 5 o'clock Sundays. Bye.
Bye.